The rocky shore is teeming with life if you know where to look. This area alone is home to a huge variety of plants and animals, from starfish and urchins to scorpionfish and periwinkles. With patience, you can have some brilliant encounters in the shallow pools and rocky crevices that make up the rocky shore at low tide. Now, of course, you should always take care whenever you're exploring the coastline, especially slippy or rocky habitats like this one. It's always important to be aware of the tide times so that you don't get stranded, and treat these precious habitats and the creatures that live there with care and respect. If you take a closer look into one of the smaller pools at low tide, you might be lucky enough to spot a hermit crab scuttling across the rocks. Hermit crabs live inside empty sea snail shells, and they're particularly fond of whelk and periwinkle shells. Now, as they grow, hermit crabs have to swap into bigger shells, a bit like us changing our clothes or shoes. Shoresearch is the Wildlife Trust's National Citizen Science Survey of the intertidal shore, so that's the bit of the shoreline which is temporarily exposed when the tide goes out. Volunteers are trained to identify and record the wildlife on the shores across the UK, and this data is collected by the project to help experts to monitor our fragile marine wildlife and better understand the effects of things like pollution, climate change and invasive species. Now, if you're keen to dip your toe into the world of intertidal monitoring, follow the link in the video description to explore the Shoresearch website and learn how you can get involved.